You scroll through social media, bombarded by ads promising easy money with dropshipping. It sounds perfect, no inventory, minimal upfront costs, and the freedom to be your own boss. But then you see two names pop up, dropship.me and AliDropship. They both seem to offer dropshipping solutions, but what's the difference? Fear not, aspiring entrepreneurs, because today we're diving deep to uncover the secrets of dropship.me and AliDropship. So, you want to start a dropshipping business? Great, but before you jump in, understanding the tools at your disposal is crucial. Dropship.me and AliDropship are both plugins designed specifically for WordPress stores, but they cater to different needs within the dropshipping landscape. Let's unpack Dropship.me first. Imagine a treasure trove of hot-selling products, all curated for maximum profit potential. That's essentially what Dropship.me offers. Their primary focus is helping you find trending products from AliExpress, the massive online marketplace. Think fidget spinners a few years back, or maybe those phone cases with built-in projectors everyone went crazy for. Finding the right product is half the battle in dropshipping, and Dropship.me streamlines that process by providing a constantly updated database of potential winners. Here's the beauty of Dropship.me. It simplifies product research. You can browse their database, filter by niche, and import winning products directly into your store with a single click. No more scouring endless pages of AliExpress, wading through low-quality products. Dropship.me saves you time and effort, letting you focus on branding, marketing, and building your customer base. But wait, there's more. Dropship.me even offers a free plan. This allows you to import a limited number of products and test the waters of dropshipping before committing any money. It's a fantastic way to dip your toes in and see if the model suits you. Now, let's shift gears and talk about AliDropship. While Dropship.me excels at product sourcing, AliDropship takes a more comprehensive approach. Think of it as an all-in-one dropshipping toolkit. Sure, it offers product importing from AliExpress similar to Dropship.me, but AliDropship goes beyond that. Here's where AliDropship gets interesting. They offer professionally designed e-commerce themes to give your store a polished, trustworthy look. No more struggling with code or design. Just pick a theme that suits your brand and customize it to your liking. AliDropship also boasts features for automating tedious tasks, like order fulfillment and inventory updates. This frees up your valuable time to focus on strategizing and growing your business. But there's a catch. While Dropship.me offers a free plan with limitations, AliDropship requires a one-time purchase. This might sound like a barrier to entry, but consider it an investment in your business's future. The additional features and functionalities can significantly streamline your operations and enhance your store's professionalism, ultimately leading to more sales. So, which one is right for you? If you're a complete beginner, testing the waters of dropshipping with a limited budget, Dropship.me's free plan is a fantastic starting point. Their curated product selection takes the guesswork out of finding winning products. However, if you're serious about building a long-term, sustainable dropshipping business, AliDropship offers a more comprehensive suite of tools. The automated features and professional themes will save you time and elevate your store's overall look and feel. Ultimately, the choice depends on your budget and business goals. Here's a quick recap. Dropship.me excels at product sourcing, while AliDropship provides a comprehensive toolkit for managing your entire dropshipping operation. Remember, dropshipping success hinges not just on the tools you use, but also on your dedication, marketing efforts, and customer service. No magic plugin guarantees instant riches, but the right tools can definitely give you a head start. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.